So the dispatch module, let's talk about that. The first daily process is what's called member sign-in, which brings them back onto the job board or unemployed list. So let's go to the form here for signing members in. Let's pick our member who's just come in to sign in, Mr. Ron. Now let's go through the form here and explain the details. In the top portion here we have the current status of the member as long as his dues paid to date. In the middle of the form here we have his recent sign-in and his recent dispatches, which are useful to know. And then down on the bottom of the form is just the work done for today. So this member is signing in. Now the 4 pieces of important information to be clear on is his sign-in date, which you can adjust, the sign-in time, of course, which you can adjust, the availability that he's coming back on the board as. Typical 2 values are available, and down at the bottom of the list, will call. The last piece of useful information or needed information is which job board he's going back onto. This is from his member profile, but here you can change it just by clicking on this down arrow here and add him to new boards or revise the board that he's going on to. So we're going to leave it as this and just press save. And he's back on the job board now. Just to continue with the next member, just press the green key and continue. During the day, you can come back into any of these sign-ins on this sign-in form and make any revisions or deletions as needed. So that's a very simple sign-in process. And they go back on the job board as I explained. Check the other video for details on sign-in rules and regulations.